Picture ka muna. Another certificate para sa ating outstanding on-screen chemistry performance that captivated audiences and achieved remarkable viewership and engagement. Most viewed Love Team Chemistry Spark Award presented to Dan Joy. Tawagin mo natin ang Dan Joy. Kamusta kaya sila? Tawagin mo natin for the year 2025. Most viewed Love Team Chemistry Sport Award. Stay muna sa ating mga love team picture. Okay? Apo, yung Dan Joy po lang wala. Dito daw po muna. Meron pa tayo. Tatawagin natin yung mga love team. Dito po. Kailangan naman po natin ma-explain ang ating mga awards. Of course, this is for the year 2025. Of course. Siyempre po, sa pagkakataong ito, we have here, ito po kasi ay, what do you call this? History, kumbaga. So, ngayon pong bilang pagtatapos ng panahon, ayaw naman pong isa walang bahala. Kumbaga, nire-recognize pa rin po. So, meron tayong Most Viewed Premiere Award in recognition of remarkable achievement as the most viewed premiere through exceptional creativity and strong audience engagement. Ang premiere na po ito ay nag-garnered ng impressive 125,000 live viewers. Setting notable milestone and demonstrating outstanding impact and excellence. Most viewed premiere award, Dan Joy. Also, the most views in total award, achieving the most viewed in total award, having accumulated the highest number of views across all episodes, reflecting exceptional audience reach, consistency, and overall impact. With a total of 106 million. Congratulations! Most views in total award, John Carr. Okay, please stay dahil kayo po nakakuha ng outstanding on-screen chemistry. Ano man ang masasabi ninyo?
Siyempre, thank you so much kay Lord. Tapos, second po, malakaling ang di siya nagsasama sa amin. Siyempre, thank you so much din sa mga viewers po. Hindi tayo dito sa inyo. Wala po yung chemistry na medicine. And thank you.
Oh, syempre di mabubuang NC kung walang Yancy. Eto, on-screen chemistry. Ano masasabi mo?
Siyempre po, kung hindi naman po talaga dahil sa kanya, kung hindi po dahil kay Edu, yung pagpapakilig niya sa akin. Siyempre, hindi maging kaya thank you so much po kay Kuya Rab, kay Lord, kay Lord po, tsaka kay Kuya Bala, at sa lahat po ng sumusuporta po sa EDC at sa lahat po ng Love Teams. Thank you so much po.
Thank you. At syempre kasama natin ang Big Chris. Ang bilis lang ng panahon. And grabe, kasama na kayo sa mga Big Four na Love Teams. Ang daming sumusuporta. We have here the most viewed Love Team Chemistry Spark Award. How does it feel? CJ?
Siyempre po masaya kasi hindi ko naman po inaasahan na yung mabubuong tandem po namin is magkaroon po ng chemistry. syempre, nagpapasalamat po kay Kuya sa walang sawang pag-vlog po sa amin. Kahit na, alam niyo na po yun. At sa mga sumusuporta po, sa mga viewers, ayan, maraming salamat po.
Mikoy?
Of course, gusto ko lang po pasalamatan yung mga viewers po. And syempre kay God, thank you so much. Saka sa Team Kalinga po, lalo na kay Kalinga Prab na yun, pinagtatpo kami dalawa ni Krista.
Thank you. Nasaan yung mga may Christian? Talaga. Thank you very much. And walang kupas talaga. Carla! Grabe. Most views in total award. Grabe. How does it feel? Kasi actually kasama ka na sa mga maraming nagsusupport na vloggers. Most beautiful vlogger kasama ka din, di ba? Ano nararamdaman mo?
And syempre, sobrang saya po. Tsaka, wala po may ibang gustong pasalamatan kundi ang aming pinakamagaling na direktor, si Kuya Rab po. Then syempre, sila Lolo Val po, maraming salamat. Then syempre po sa mga VIP sponsor ni Jomcar. And sa mga supporters, kasi kung hindi tira naman po dahil sa inyo, hindi po namin ma-achieve yung mga gantong achievements ng Jomcar. Kaya maraming salamat po. Yan, God bless po.
Napakabait na bata. Talaga namang grabe ang respeto, di ba? Lagi na sinabi ko, ikaw lagi nagbe-bless. Kaya ang tawag sa'yo, Lulubal. Oh, Lulubal na ang tawag. Oh, parang Jomar.
Yun, una-una syempre kay God. Maraming salamat po. And syempre sa buong Team Kalinga. Syempre po sa founder po na si Kuya Val, si Kalinga Prab, ang aming best director. Grabe. And syempre po sa mga viewers na mga marathoners, mga sponsor po na patuloy pong sumusuporta. Mula nun hanggang ngayon po, sobrang maraming salamat po kasi hindi rin po talaga namin po maabot itong mga ganitong milestone po without you all po. And yun, maraming salamat po. And so, syempre po sa buong Love Team, congratulations po.
Patagal ng patagal, lalo kang gumagwapo, lalo kang sumasarap tingnan, di ba? Iba intindi ka ni parang Jomar, parang nagbebenta na ng kondo, di ba? Hindi ko po alam kung paano ko po i-interview itong dalawang ito. Mahal ko po ang buhay ko, mahal ko po ang sarili ko. Pero alam ko naman may karapatan tayo magbigay ng ating mensahe. Dahil alam ko malaki din ang niambag ng inyong pagsasama. Dahil for this year 2025, marami kayong mga napasaya. At syempre, palakpakan naman natin, kabuo na Unite ang Danjoy. Meron pa rin kayong na-receive the most viewed. Actually, I remember the time na pinakita sa akin ni Kuya Val yung kanyang live. At kayo talaga ay humatak ng 100,000 plus viewers live. How does it feel?
Siyempre, thank you po sa nagmahal at sumuporta sa Danjoy. Dahil sa kanila, nagkaroon kami ng ganito achievements. So, ayun, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. At kay Insan Rap, siyempre, thank you. At kay Joy, thank you, Joy.
Joy?
Very unexpected din po yung ganitong achievement mo sa amin sa Danjoy. Siyempre, hindi rin naman po kami makakatanggap na ganitong award kundi po dahil kay Kuya Ram sa mga viewers and supporters ng Danjoy. Hello.
Thank you very much. Palakpakan naman po natin ating Kalingap Love Teams. Thank you so much. Congratulations to Hana Matubang! Again, excellence in video editing. Congratulations, Ian Ramirez. Outstanding cinematography and visual storytelling. Best Kalingap cinematographer, Kalingap Ryan. Iba si Ryan. Best Kalingap cinematographer, Kalingap P. Outstanding creativity and visual excellence in thumbnail design that effectively captured the attention and enhanced content appeal. Best in thumbnail, Kalingap Hana. For outstanding engagement and exceptional support through active participation and generous contribution during live platforms. Super Chatted Award, Kalingap Jomar. Dapat pala din Super Chatted Award, dapat Paldong Award. In recognition of her rising star achievement. Through her remarkable talent and exceptional skill, she has made a strong impression with the Kalingap community, earned an admiration of many, inspiring others with her dedication and potential. Rising Star Award, Krista J. Villanueva. Outstanding personal growth, positive influence, and meaningful participation. This award honors an individual who truly embodies the core values of Kalingap, having proudly presented the organization through travel of 2 countries and gained the support of numerous VIP sponsors, reflecting dedication, excellence, and inspiring impact. Beneficiary of the Year, Kalingap Carla Tupular. Picture. Picture na kayo. I-award na natin ang ating awarded to Sam Ashley. Total of 22 pabahay. Best in Pabahay, Kalingap Dan. Kalinga Partner. In recognition of its remarkable achievement as most viewed Kalinga Partner during the second Kalinga Ball, Year 5, through strong audience engagement, partnership gained exceptional attention and made a notable impact throughout the event. Most viewed Kalinga Partner awarded to Dr. Love. Congratulations, Doc. Congratulations.
Alright, so ano ito mag-award? Bigyan din po natin ng award. Siyempre, ang pinakamalaki na katulong sa atin sa mga event kagaya nito. Bago tayo mag-proceed sa mga major awards, no? So, palakpakan po natin ang ALM Events and Talents Management. Trusted Alliance Excellence Award recognizes ALM Events and Talents Management that exemplifies integrity, reliability, and mutual respect in partnership. This award honors ALM who consistently demonstrate trustworthiness, transparency, and collaborative excellence, building strong alliances that create meaningful and lasting impact. So, congrats po sa ALM. Dito si Boss Alvin. Kaya,
Thank you, Rob. Naisama mo pa. Salamat, malaking bagay. Of course, syempre meron din kami. Ayan, ready. The Pillar of Charity Legacy Award. Alam mo, The Pillar of Charity Legacy Award honors Kalingap Rab. Palakpakan naman natin, whose long-standing commitment to service has made a lasting impact on the community. It recognizes exceptional generosity, compassion, leadership through sustained charitable efforts. The award has also gained national recognition with acclaimed media acknowledging their work, establishing them as one of the true pillars of charity vlogging in the country and extending the influence of service beyond local communities. Pillar of Charity Legacy Award, one and only Kalingap Rab Matuba. Siyempre, hindi lang ikaw ang deserve na recognized tonight. We also have here the award presented in recognition of exceptional leadership, vision, and courage in paving the way for meaningful change. This award honors a leader who serves as a guiding light to others, leading the purpose, integrity, compassion, with trailblazing initiatives that uplift communities and embody the true mission of Kalinga. Guiding Light Trailblazer Award. Palakpakan natin, Kalinga Val Santos Matuba. Congratulations po. Okay, we have three major awards. Ito na po. Bilang pagtatapos ng ating awarding, proceed tayo sa ating next part of the program. Ito po yung nilook forward every year ng ating mga kasamahan sa Kalinga. But, before ko po i-award itong plaque, ay babanggitin ko po ang ating mga nominees. Para na-acknowledge din po. Okay? Ito po ang Reactor of the Year. for outstanding reaction content that brought insight, authenticity, and entertainment to Kalingap contents through thoughtful perspectives and genuine engagement. The awardee fostered strong community interaction, amplified meaningful messages, and helped deepen audience appreciation for the spirit of charity and compassion behind every story. Reactor of the Year nominees are Kuya Jens. Nasaan po si Kuya Jens? Acknowledge muna natin, tayo po tayo. Lahat po na ma-acknowledge ko, tayo po Oh, dito daw sa unahan para ma-acknowledge. Kuya Jens. Other next nominee, we have Marzana TV. Direct Noelsa. Bobby TV. Jason Alvazan. Batang LU. And July Paulil. We acknowledge itong mga reactors natin, but then again, we have here ang ating winner ng Reactor of the Year. Reactor of the Year is awarded to, congratulations, July Paulil. To receive the award, of course, Kuya Buddy, you have. Congratulations, nanonood si Sir July. Alam kong i-react mo to.